This is Ian Lamont. I've been a pro-level Amazon seller for 8 years, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a Black Friday Cyber Monday discount on Amazon Seller Central for 2024. If the video helps, please take a moment to like and subscribe. Information on how to contact me is in the description and bio, and let's get started. So we are looking at the Prime exclusive discounts page. To get to this particular page on Amazon Seller Central, go to the hamburger menu, top left corner, go to advertising, and then go to Prime exclusive discounts. If you do not have this option on the menu, it could mean that you're in a market that doesn't support this feature, your account is not the right type of account, or you do not have products where you can list Prime exclusive discounts. So once you come to this page, you'll see a button that says create discount. I'm gonna press that in a second, and then you can see all of the old Prime exclusive discounts that I've had before, which includes Prime Day, Prime exclusive discounts, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, etc. So I'm going to press the Create Discount button to get started. And there's 3 things you need to understand about setting up a Black Friday, Cyber Monday discount in 2024. 3 things that are different than they were before. The first thing is that there's an event fee for each one of these discounts that you set up. So what this is going to encourage people to do is actually to combine discounts under the same kind of setup. The second thing that's changed is the time period is extended from November 21st to December 2nd. So how many days is that? That's like 11 days or 12 days or something. This is a big difference than previous years. I mean, it was long last year, but I can remember the time when, you know, Black Friday, Cyber Monday was basically just the long weekend, and now it's like 3 times as long. And then the third thing is that pricing rules are even more complex than before. And what you need to do actually is read all of these rules that they have about setting up a discount before you get started, because if you don't understand that, you may get tripped up, and even worse, you may set up a discount that's actually more money than you can afford. So you have to understand your product and your margins and everything. So I'm going to say, I'm going to call this BFCM 2024. And then I'm going to say, there's a couple options here. Is this a Black Friday and a Cyber Monday discount, or is it just Cyber Monday and Black Friday? So if you select, of course, Black Friday, the time period will be shorter. It's only, 9 days? But if it's just Cyber Monday, it's only, it looks like about 4 days long. So I'm going to do both of them. And it says selecting Black Friday and Cyber Monday discounts will result in the discount running for the entire duration from the start of Black Friday to the end of Cyber Monday. Ridiculously long period of time. So I'm going to save and add products. And one thing that you should know before you get started on this is you should, first of all, have an idea of what products that you can discount. And you should also make sure that you have the inventory available. So I do have the inventory available, I think, for most of these products. And if there's some problem, I may be prompted with an error message. So here we go. A Prime exclusive discount can have a maximum of 500 SKUs. I'm a small seller. I'm just going to have, I think, 4 SKUs on here. And actually, one thing that I do for my Prime exclusive discount planning and Black Friday, Cyber Monday is I set up a spreadsheet, and I have the data from the previous year, what I did. I have the conversion rates and stuff like that, which is pretty useful. And then I start planning. This is back in late summer. I start planning the coupons I'm going to have in the fall and into November, December, and then the promos. So for instance, here it says mid-November Prime exclusive 25% for that particular product. Here I'll have, you see BFCM or BF and CM separately. You can see the discounts that I have. Because there's this new $50 rule to set up a promotion, and I don't like paying extra fees if I don't have to, I'm just gonna do one catch-all promotion, and it's basically gonna last the whole period. I'm not really happy about that, but frankly, I don't want to be spending extra $50 to set up separate Black Friday and separate Cyber Monday discounts. So I'm just going to have everything together. The other thing I'm going to do is I might be streamlining some of the percentages off. So one thing I want to point out about this chart here, so see how here I said CM add 20%. That means Cyber Monday add 20%. I already have a discount of 5% on top of that. So this may be stacked for part of the time, so the total discount will be 25%. You have to be aware of that when you're setting up these things. And then the other thing is, as I said before, you have to be aware of the rules that they listed on, the guidelines that they listed on the earlier page. So let's get started here. The first SKU is, let's start up here. So it's this SKU right here. And this is actually a pretty important SKU. And so you have 2 choices, amount off or percentage off or fixed price. I'm just going to do percentage off. And then the Prime discount, what did I put down there? 25%. All right, so let's do that, 25% off. And then the minimum price. So what you need to do is you need to be aware of what your what your regular price is, and then you need to be able to subtract so it's at least 25% off for this particular discount, and there can't be any decimal point stuff going on. So you can't set the minimum discount to like, you know, 24.33. It has to be like $24 exactly or $25 exactly. So I'm going to just whip out the calculator. Actually, let's search for that calculator. All right, and so this particular product is 27.99 times 0.75, so that gives the 20.99, so it should be $21, but as I said, because I can't use the decimal, the stuff that comes after the decimal point, I'm just going to set the minimum price to $20, and then I'm going to click add. Okay, next. This one is a 20% off, and let's get the SKU. Paste that in, percentage off, 20% off, and what is this product again? Okay, so that's a similar one. So let's go back to the calculator. Let's clear that, and this one is also 27.99 times 0.8. Okay, so I think I can get away with $22 right here. Let's go to the next one. Okay, this is also 20%. This one I actually need to send some inventory in. I know that because Amazon just warned me about that. Percentage off, 20%. It's the same price as the one above, so I'm going to do that. And I'm going to add another one. See a little plus there? So I'm going to add a fourth one. Now this one is 30%. And this one I know is definitely inventory challenged, so I'm going to have to take care of that pretty soon. Percentage off, 30%. Is that what I said? Yep. And for this one, I'm going to need the calculator again. So clear 27.99 times 0.7. Ooh, it's a tough one, but you know what? This one always has trouble selling, so I'm going to just do it. And then once I'm done, I'm going to click Submit Products. So it's validating prices. And pay attention here because this is where error messages sometimes come up. And, you know, Amazon tech is laughably bad for seller tech, the seller tech at least. So this pink bar here, it means there's some error message. They're not even showing me what it is because the Seller Central is so messed up. But I'm going to find out what the problem is later on. If I go back to the main menu, it actually might show me the error code. So it says scheduled, but anyways, there might be some issue that might pop up because of that pink bar that I saw before. In any case, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please take a moment to like it and follow me. I have many more videos about using Amazon as well as Shopify and other platforms to sell, and I just like to share my expertise with other people. Thank you so much for watching.